see the best part of 710? Here it is. Our third floor crafting studio. 1,000 square feet of goodness. We've got flexible seating, and we have lots and lots of goodies for all you crafters. Above the table electrical, lights galore, comfy office chairs, televisions, we've got 3 of them. They link together, so no matter where you sit, you can see what's going on. Oversized ironing board, large cutting table, flexible design walls, coffee bar, dumbwaiter, a lounge area where you can sit and do some hand binding or just take a rest and do a little chatting. Got a mini fridge, an area for snacks. Just look at this amazing, amazing place. We can't wait for you to come and work on your projects here.